I feel like we have all been there before when you have too many bags to carry and you're holding those bags and they're super heavy and they're cutting into your hands. Maybe not even your bags, maybe you're carrying some paint cans. Whatever it may be, it is hurting your hands. It's hard to handle everything. Well, that is where the Click and Carry come into play. These are really, really awesome and super helpful. All you have to do is slide it open to the side just like this. Super simple. And then you can actually hook your bags onto the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook 2 on this side. And then we're gonna hook 2 on the other side. We're gonna do this. And then we are just going to close it. So same way, you just slide it. So now they are all attached. So you actually can then take this and throw this over your shoulder. Look at this, I've got everything. It's not cutting into my hands. It's got a really nice silicone ridge right here that just kind of fits into your shoulder. And if you don't want to throw it on your shoulder, you can hold it into your hand like this and you've got that really great grip. So again, it's not just like the material from the bag cutting into your hand. You guys know what I'm talking about. These things, such a lifesaver. So simple.